our micro camper based on Honda Odyssey.
Here you can see inside view with full-size bed and window inserts.
And a table made out of 80/20 with a table covered by epoxy.
We have tap water
Running water is a must, and it's
under
going.
the sink. You can see tanks. The green tank is for dirty water and light brown tank for clean water. We have a fully equipment kitchen with microwave that it's powered by battery from solar panel.
And 30-liter, I think, 30-liter icicle refrigerator.
Also powered by solar panel.
And we got from Home Depot utility box that we use for utensils and dishes.